Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who don't know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I'm talking about the beauty and makeup trends I am going to say goodbye to this year in 2018. So basically what I'm saying is if this is something that you enjoy doing, continue doing it. These are just things that I am probably going to stop doing in 2018 or never really fell in love with in 2017. So I'm going to go through and kind of talk about my beauty and makeup trends that I just want to stop. And some of these are just things I've noticed. They're not really trend or on trend. They're just things that people do that need to stop. So the first thing for me personally is just stop listening to what people are saying is in for my hair. Or that I should do it a different way. Or that I should blend it better. Or that I should do this or that. I enjoy it. I like it. It's on my head. Don't worry about it. The next thing are anything to do with eyebrow trends. Like, can we just agree that some of them are really weird? Like, why turn your eyebrows into Christmas trees? Can we never see the squiggly eyebrows again? And if somebody wants to have really thin eyebrows, let them have really thin eyebrows. Like, don't tell them, oh, no, you shouldn't do your eyebrows like that. Okay. The thing is that the eyebrow shape that I do might be in now, but like years down the road, it's probably not. But this is the way I like to do my eyebrows, and I like the way it looks on my face. And other people like different things about their eyebrows, so just leave the eyebrows alone. Overlining your lips. I don't overline my lips. I've never done it. I think people who overline their lips look funny. Especially, like, I get it for on camera. You can't really tell on camera, but in person you can completely tell. And when people walk around and are wearing overdrawn lips, it's like, what are you doing? Why are you doing it? Stop it. Ombre lips. And I think this is more because I can't do it. I can't figure it out. I've tried and it just doesn't look blended. I don't know if the liquid lipstick is drying too fast. I've tried it in different ways, but I'm over the ombre lip. I'm over trying the ombre lip. I'm just not gonna do it anymore. Why are we still doing our makeup with household objects or anything we can find? It's like me going, I'm gonna do my makeup with the Coty Airspun bottle thing. Yep, it's totally blended out. Stop it. That's ridiculous. Like, seriously, it's like going, what haven't I tried? How about one of these things? How about we just stick with the things that we know work, like a sponge and a brush. Oh my gosh, mind blowing. A sponge and a brush. Nope. Totally. This container of Coty Airspun is going to be like the best thing to blend your foundation. You don't need these. Like, seriously? Like, these were made for that. This was made to hold Coty Airspun. Not that I've seen anyone use Coty Airspun. That's just an example. The first thing that I grabbed off my table. But seriously, people, stop it. And stop using food. That's just gross. Probably going to break out after that. Blech. One thing that I also want to talk about is like the fact that in this beauty community, okay, to me, community means people who work together, care about each other, and aren't jerks. And this beauty community is kind of full of jerks. Sorry, not sorry. A lot of people are very judgmental, and it's just kind of sad. Like, leave people alone. So what I'm saying with that is, like, stop belittling people who do their makeup differently. People like different things on them. People feel comfortable with different things on them. That does not mean that you get to go and go, that's ugly. What are you doing? Haha, look at you. If they feel confident in it, leave them alone. They like it. You don't have to. That's the beauty of makeup. You put what you want on your face and you live with it. They put what they want on their face and they live with it. Just drop it. If you don't like it and you don't like the videos they're making or you don't like the picture they post on Instagram, scroll on by. You don't have to watch it. You don't have to comment on it. You don't have to thumbs it down. You're wasting your time. Your time. Not mine. Not some other person's. Your time. All shimmer palettes. Stop it. I don't understand like completely shimmery palettes. I need a few mattes. I need a few mattes to do transition shades and things. Like this Makeup Revolution palette here. It's got some mattes in it. Thank goodness. Other palettes, I'm like, oh, we're 100% shimmery. You mean I'm going to need another palette to even do my makeup? Like, it's not convenient. It's not convenient for traveling. It's not convenient. I don't need 500 palettes on my table, even though I have 500 palettes on my table. I need to clean up this makeup room, but that's a whole other story. Overly matte looks. And even I am working on this because what I'm talking about is the matte foundation, matte lip, matte, like everything. I'm going to try and break myself out of that. That means I'm going to be using glosses, regular lipsticks, and not so many matte foundations and not overly powdering my face because I have a problem with that. And I might also be using more cream products. I'm scared. Let's do this. Baking your face. Just stop. Or if you're going to do it, like, minimize the powder. I don't understand why you need this much powder on your face when you're baking. Like, I understand, like, it cleans up contour lines. I understand it makes certain areas of your face set better. But when you're just, like, throwing on the powder and then not really understanding why your face looks cakey, that's why your face looks cakey. You bake too much. You put too much on. You left it on for 25 minutes. Doing like, okay, drag queens do it because they need their makeup to last. I get why people on camera do it. It just makes their makeup look good a little bit. I don't know what that comment was. It kind of, I had a thought and then it left. But like, it's not a necessary step for everyone, and stop telling everyone they need to do it, because some of us, and I'm getting them, have little wrinkles under there, and if we bake, it's just like, in your face. Face tuning every single picture of yourself. Stop it. We all have flaws. Get over them. Not that that's that easy. I mean, it's not. But what I'm saying is, be a little more real. People want to see people be real, especially beauty influencers. Not that I'm saying I am one or anything, but be real. Like, seriously, stop face tuning every single picture. I get wanting to face tune a few here and there. I've never done it. I don't have time to edit my pictures that drastically, and maybe that's why I'm not a bajillion million subscriber person, but I'm not worried about that. And that's not the point of my YouTube. And like, seriously, we'd stop face tuning everything. It's too much. Well, there you have it. There are my beauty and makeup trends I am saying goodbye to in 2018. Yeah, let me know what yours are down below. Do you agree with mine? Do you think that I'm way off base with what I'm saying? And I mean, if you want to tell me off in the comments, go for it. Thanks again, and I hope you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are, and bye!